Hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our dice model. So yours will just look plain, so let me go ahead and get to that point. Alright, so first things first is just open up your model in Maya, then you're going to click on the object, do edit, and delete your history. And then I'm going to go to Arnold and add in a sky dome light, so we have some light in our scene. Go ahead and select your whole object, hold down right click, assign a new material, and do shader AI standard surface. We're gonna leave it as white. Next is the kind of hard part, not really, just kind of tedious. You're gonna go into face mode and then you're gonna hold tab and you're going to select all of these guys. Make sure not to let go of tab because you want to make sure you are holding on to all of these faces, because these faces we are going to change to be black because the inside of our dice is black. So this is kind of just a tedious part you have to go through and do. So good luck. And you can, I'll just fast forward this part because it might take me a little bit, just a couple minutes. So if you just want to go ahead and pause it and then just click play again once you're done. I will start back up with my instructions after I'm done kind of like clicking all of these guys through. So yeah, good luck and see you soon. All right, so as you can see, I've got all my circles all selected here. So go ahead and right click on one of those faces, do assign new material, shader, AI standard surface, and then just make that one black. And then you can click 7, and that's how the texture is turning out. If you want to do different colored holes or a different colored dice, that's totally fine. I just made mine the traditional white and black. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will see you guys next time for our next tutorial. Bye guys!